Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Talk to y'all about a little astral traveling. Astral traveling. What that sound like? What that sound like to y'all? That sound like you need to be an astronaut, huh? Sound like you need to be Neil Armstrong, huh? Sound like you need to be old Apollo 13 or something, huh? Nah, you don't need to be none of that. You don't need to be that. You don't even need to be working with NASA to be able to do that. To be able to do this. You ain't got to. Now, let me tell y'all how I became to understand about and understand how and understand what it is, like astral traveling. Like first it's like it blow your mind because you do think that you might need to be an astronaut, be Yoda or something, be able to be out of space and all. Man, you don't need that. Let me tell you how I got there. When I first thought about it, I was like, meet George Jetson, astral traveling, like traveling in his little mobile. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was thinking. Like, okay, so dang, we could all be Elroy. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could all be like, hey. So I thought about it like that at first. Then as I came to understand more knowledge, you know what I'm saying? Flight boss, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, astral traveling, there you go again. Like, what are you talking about, man? So I was like, okay, experienced a little bit, started trying it, start getting on some more studies. Then I'm like, okay, really? Okay, this, you gotta meditate. Gotta get into the meditation. You gotta get into your meditations. You gotta ask for the right thing. You can't be asking for no can't be asking for no 3D stuff. You gotta be asking for some elevational, some astrological, some spiritual ascension stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that's the stuff that I'm asking. That's the stuff that I'm seeking. So that's the stuff that comes to me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not asking or worried about nothing down here. You know what I'm saying? All this gonna pass away. So I want the knowledge. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do what I gotta do to maintain down here. But hey, that's about it at the moment. So I create. I'm still in the creating process of what I'm gonna create, building all this. You know what I'm saying? Attaining all the knowledge. I don't really want to waste my time jumping into a job to quit, jumping into another job to quit. I want to find that ultimate purpose and the ultimate thing that I'm going to do in that career wise, you know what I'm saying? So sitting back, taking that time. But in the meantime, traveling to that sun, be traveling to that sun. Like, hey, close the eyes and meditate. While I'm meditating, I make my eyes drop down into my body scan my body, look down within through the inside. I'm looking from the inside out to my body, understanding just the space. So I'm like a black space. I'm like no self. I call myself no self. So I'm like no self. So it's like I'm like a black space. And everything that I create and exist, my outline is like all shadow black. No matter what I do, it's just like the shadow, like I'm behind a screen doing a projection. You know how you get back there and do something, motion something. You try to guess what you are. Like that's what you are. We trying to guess. You know what I'm saying? So astral travel means you gotta close your eyes and understand who you are in space. My brain thriving right now as I'm telling y'all this because hey, so I'm black, I'm this space. Just dark matter, bro. Just dark matter outline. That's all we are. That's all we are. We think we something because we can touch stuff or feel stuff and see stuff and sense stuff. But those is only five senses. We got seven. We got feeling and we got intuition. Two more. So it's like the abdomen of a spider and the head of a spider. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's deep. We'll get into that later. That's another video. Message. Stick astral travel. I'm this dark matter. I'm this dark matter, bro. So whatever I think about, I'm no self. So I think about. I don't think about no regular stuff. I don't think about nothing that's down here. Ain't hold on. Stop the music. I ain't thinking about. I ain't thinking about nothing that's down here. I'm thinking about what's up above, what's all above, everything above, and bring me knowledge down below. So with the knowledge, and I got to use the knowledge that I received from down here. That is something that I got to think about down here. So I think about that, like, okay, what I done learned about, what I want to know. Universe, like, ask me, please ask me. I'm like, what do I learn? What do I want to know? I was like, I learned about these little paintings on the side of the cave. I learned about these paintings on the side of the cave that look like aliens with the two eyes and the Squidward nose and whatever. And the man was like, those is black holes, two black holes. I said, if they black holes, let me travel through them. I said, okay, pull me up through there, bro. Pull me up through there. I'm like, oh, getting closer and closer, bro. Visualizing I'm actually passing through. I passed through the one on the left. Passed through the one on the left. And then I'm like, bro, what is going on? I'm actually through here. Like, this, bro, like, nobody can't tell me I didn't do this. So I went through the left one. So I'm like, I just got my head in there. I'm like, man, what is up here? It's dark, but it's like vast amount of stars. It's like so many stars. I'm like, dang, stars everywhere. I kind of look around, like peeking my head up, like looking around. And it just like pulled me through. It was like, this what you wanted to see? And it was like, ask me more. I was like, well, I don't even know what to ask. I was like, is God here? He was like, yes, yes. I was like, I don't see nothing different. I'm like, so I guess not. Like, hey, you got what I told you? Look up. Oh, and something started like flicker. Something started like flicker, like the matter, like when if you zoom in, microscope on the sun, I can't explain it. Like how them solar rays be like swirling and jumping around the sun. If you ever seen that, and it's dark, it's black, and those rays be like flipping around the sun. So I looked up there, it was like looking like something like that, like flickering. I seen like three little like bright stars came, made a little face. That's just it. Two eyes and a mouth. It didn't have no nose. It was just like a triangle. Two two stars, bright star eyes, look like stained glass windows. And a mouth that looked like stained glass mouth. Red. The eyes had like red. And then like a bright white. It was like blinging from behind. So I was like, man, I done way up here, seen all this to do what? What? I was like, what is my purpose? What's my clarity? Like, what's my purpose? Like, unite my people. Send me back down. I'm like, clarity of purpose. Send me back down. Use my angel wings. I can use those angel wings or I can't. Like, sometimes when I'm just thinking about it, I can just flap my angel wings and just kind of start flying up here on this 3D. And then once I start doing that, I kind of start thinking like that, and then it just takes me up there too. Or I can sit here and kind of consciously do it. I can kind of do it like two ways. But astral traveling, man, I had to start meditating and staring at the sun and taking my shoes off and getting these messages loud and clear and paying attention to everything that's far and the things that's very, very near, the small, fine details. You gotta pay attention to the minor, minor details, the smallest stuff that you ain't never pay attention to. Like, why am I studying ants crawling on I ain't never seen or watched? And it's gonna make we all align. Everything down here lines up with the stars, man. Everything down here lines up with the stars, so we have to start paying attention to these signs and start looking up, because all these answers is in the stars, man. All the truth is in the stars. All the history is in the stars. Everything that's true. in the stars, hollow earth, center of the earth. Man, it's so much. Journey to the center of the earth. We gonna journey everywhere. We gonna journey everywhere until they shut off our lights. No planes can fly directly over the poles, North Pole, and South Pole. Why is that? It's like a circle where they can't fly around. They fly everywhere else, but they don't fly around that circle on either pole. Why is that? We're gonna get to the bottom of all that because I'm gonna ask the questions. My brain wanna know the answers to this stuff. I don't care nothing about no money. I don't care nothing about no race. I don't care nothing about no religion. I don't care nothing about nothing but my spirituality and bringing my people together. I gotta unite all the people, everybody, everybody, no exceptions, no exclusions. Everybody is included. Unless you don't want to be included, then we not fighting to have you. We only want those who want to be included and interested in being included. Once you make your choice, we don't care what you choose. We don't need you. We don't need nobody. You don't need nobody. You don't need nobody. Only people that agree with you, that line up with what you create, and that's what you need. That's what you want. That's what you desire. That's what you will receive. That's what your clarity will bring to you, and your purpose will bring to you. That's what astral travel is. Kind of flying up there, visualizing the images, the thoughts in your mind as you soar through there with your intuition and your feeling, your sixth and your seventh sense, not just your five. Don't get lost in just the five. You gotta use your feeling, your heart chakras, your feeling in your brain, in your mind, in your crown chakras, your front chakras. Like you gotta use those chakras to get to this level. So you gotta get you some understanding. Go back and catch up. If you're missing out, catch up. Cause we flying high, real fast. I'm gonna see y'all at the top. Keep sticking with me. We're gonna keep getting these messages. Message of the day: astral travel. Let me know if you done seen something like it or if you done did something like it. Powers of the psychic. You got them. Don't fight it. Embrace it. It's within you. Everything you need is within you. Look within. Look within. I'll see y'all at the top. Letterbox day. Hello. Who am I speaking with? My name is Perez. I'm an advisor with Jack Hat. We own the family recorded live. Earlier looking for a video hire. And it's showing here that you're it should be showing right. I don't know how it show that, but it show right. I am.